Welcome to Shu Dialect, teaching everyday English, discussing everyday issues. Hi, my name is Daphne, your TEFL mentor, here to teach you English as a second language. So today, you will learn the basics of English grammar. Now, in the English language, we have 9 elements of speech. We have verbs, adverbs, nouns, pronouns, adjectives, interjections, articles, prepositions, and conjunctions. If you like, you can pause right here and just write down this list of 9, or you can take a picture as a screenshot and just keep it in mind as you continue learning English. The first 2 points on the list I will teach you are verbs and adverbs. So verbs are words to describe what you are doing. For example, I am cooking rice and chicken. I am cooking rice and chicken. So you can see here, I have highlighted the word cooking in red to show you the verb. It shows you exactly what this person or what you are doing. Next, we have adverbs. These are words to tell us what way you are doing something, in what way. So another example, he was writing quickly. He was writing quickly. And I've highlighted the adverb in green, quickly, so you can make a note of it. And keep in mind, again, this is just to tell you in what manner someone is doing something, what way. You could also say he was writing slowly, quickly, or slowly. The next 2 points on the list are nouns and pronouns. Nouns are names of places, people, or things, etc. Pronouns are words to indicate what category something is in. For example, my best friend Tina lives in England. My best friend Tina lives in England. Here we have 2 nouns, Tina and England, highlighted in red. The next sentence, she has lived in that country for 3 years. She has lived in that country for 3 years. So again, she is the pronoun, highlighted in green. She, referring to what category this person is in. She is a girl, a woman, female. She. Adjectives. These are words to describe something or someone. So, for example, her dress is very pretty. Her dress is very pretty. Second sentence, that car is really expensive. Expensive and pretty are adjectives. Interjections. You can use these words to express a feeling or emotion. It can also be used to highlight a reaction. So I have 2 examples here. The first one, ouch, that really hurt. Ouch, that really hurt. So the word ouch is the interjection highlighted in red. Second sentence. When I arrived at his party, I said, wow, everything was so fancy. Wow, everything was so fancy. So the word wow, again in red, is the interjection. Now we have articles. These words are simple, just to indicate a specific thing. The three words are an, the, and a as articles. I have 3 examples for you using all 3. First, this is a handbag. This is a handbag. That is an armchair. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. And I've highlighted all 3 in red, as usual. Prepositions. We use these types of words to indicate placement of something or someone. I have 2 examples for you here. My mum was sitting on the sofa. My dad left his notepad lying on the table. Sitting and lying is a placement. So sitting and lying are the prepositions. Finally, we have conjunctions. These words are to link statements in your sentence and also to break down your speech. So if you said, I like pizza, but the base has to be thin crust. But the base has to be thin crust. But is a conjunction. And you can use other words like however or whereas. That is the end of my lesson today. I do hope that was helpful in understanding the basics of grammar in English. Do come back again and subscribe below. Tick like and subscribe if it was helpful to you. Thank you so much and have a good day.